Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2010 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck. This boat has the extended swim platform with sea deck option on the back. Also has a remote control for the stereo. Over here on the port side transom, freshwater sprayer and easy access to grab your water toys. You still have a stainless ski tow eye to pull tubes and skiers as well. As we come into the boat, you'll have a cooler here on the back. This will easily convert to a sun pad. Engine access is the Mercruiser 5.0 MPI 260 horsepower, and this boat has 260 hours on it. Stainless table mount, additional storage. This is going to have the twin Visionaire bucket seats with flip up thigh rise. Going to have tilt wheel steering. This does have the keyless dash for starting and stopping. Garmin GPS. This does have the wakeboard tower option with the wakeboard racks. Head system on the port side. Coming forward, you'll see this boat does have a bow block-off door and plenty of seating forward in the bow. These are hinged seats. And this one does have the freshwater sprayer and also the beach boarding ladder off the bow. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2010 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.